Well, I thought I'd do a video inspired by Nuffin Edited. I gotta say, Carol, your videos are awesome. And I really enjoyed watching them this past few days. I saw you doing some ride-alongs, and I thought I'd do like a polar opposite scenery compared to yours. It is pretty beautiful out here today. We're in the middle of a snowstorm. The roads are all right. They're passable. It's 28, so the roads are not freezing and they're right on the edge. But yeah, look at the snow on the trees. So I also have a suggestion for you. I know you're having issues with the camera on the windshield. I'm just holding the camera in my hand. But I also roll with a tripod in the passenger seat floorboard. So I used to do that with the Honda all the time. I could do it in here too. That works pretty well. But this camera is really stable, so I can just hold it. Anyway, I think your videos are awesome. I really like how just real they are, you know, it's such a rare thing these days. Wow, look at these trees. Anyway, yeah, I'm just holding the camera in my right hand. And again, this camera is pretty stable, so I have no issues in terms of shakiness or anything. But if not, if I wanted to do it so both hands were free, I could have a tripod on the passenger side floorboard with it raised up enough, and maybe one of the legs on the seat. I don't know if that would work in your truck or not, but it probably would. And then just, yeah, just get a small tripod and put the camera on that. There's that house. What a trip. Always wanted to look at that house, but always felt a little leery about it, and obviously it's never, well, it was vacant at one time. We're in Lucas County. We're about 20 minutes west of Toledo, Ohio, and man, beautiful snow on the trees. We're in the Oak Openings Metro Park region here. We're gonna come up and drive into the park. That's why I thought I'd turn the camera on here. But it's a Wednesday afternoon, 4/11. Try to get back out and film some videos again. I hope you guys like that 4 shot of videos yesterday. I thought I'd drop 4 of them on you. But you're gonna get in a really nice area. The roads are a little rougher, narrower, but the snow on the trees is nice. And the idiots on the road aren't. Unreal. Share the road. Of course not. You know, and one thing, I probably could have pulled in there. A little rough. I'll probably get stuck. But oh yeah, look at this. Oh, this new there's a little barn. There's the sun coming through the horse barn over there. And really nice back in here. But I really, like Marty has talked about before, this whole frickin' is this video made for kids crap. I mean, what is that? I don't get it. Like, what are we doing? Anyway. Okay, so let me keep rolling through here and I'll just roll it. 26th of February 2020. Yeah, the roads are a little rough in here. Look at the white on the trees. I hope the camera's picking it up good. What a majestic winter wonderland here. Unreal, man. It looks beautiful. And pretty much in one of the most scenic areas in Northwest Ohio, so. I also have a little dash cam I used in a few videos in 2018. It was alright. I could have that up too. The quality is kind of iffy and the audio sucks. See, that's why I like using this camera, because the audio is good. I could have mounted a tripod in the passenger seat, but I'm fine with holding it. I'm not going fast enough here. Even though Ohio has, well, talked about implementing some much stricter rules. No media of any kind, phones, of course, texting's already illegal, but cameras, you know, I'm obviously holding a camera in my hand driving. That is part of the distracted driving thing, so. I mean, essentially I am distracted. But anyway, so. It might be come a time soon where I couldn't even do this anymore. I mean, hold the video and drive. So we're going east now. Toward the park. I'll roll through the park. Of course, I'll just keep it quiet. I can't play anything on the radio, God forbid. Last week I was filming those, or actually I started filming those houses in late January, and I filmed the last one on Monday, the 24th. And I actually swung by Delbert Denhoff's house again. I ended up deleting the video, just a little clip. But I was playing the radio and all that. I was like, well, they're gonna strike me with this, you know, having the music playing. It was actually NASCAR radio, and they still probably would have given me a strike or not monetized it. But Delbert's house is still standing. I pulled in, there's tire tracks leading to the back, and I kind of smelled some little bit of smoke, and I heard chainsaws. I was thinking, man, I bet you anything there was somebody back there. I mean, like the owner or something cutting trees down. So I didn't want to, you know, risk it. And obviously I've covered that place so much in depth already. Here we are coming into the park. Thank you again, Nuffin, for your awesome inspiration recently, both you and Marty, who have kept me going in terms of the thought of even making a video. Beautiful in here. Wow. Look at that. Unbelievable. Beautiful. The snow is just such a rare snow because it's the temperature is so warm that it's sticking and everything. Look at it in there. I'll pull into Mallard Lake area here. I'll probably just roll through. I might come back. I may park down here. Oh, this is something else. Very picturesque. So I was talking about the little dash cam. The video is fine quality, the audio sucked, but I also was like, well, you know, you could get a suction cup mount and just, you know, put it in the camera, the tripod mount on the camera, put it right on your dashboard. So it's kind of sitting like right here, or even up. But I did it with this camera, and there was so much shaking from the shutter, or I mean the vibration of the car when it was mounted directly on the suction cup. So this camera being is kind of a little heavier, that just didn't work, because every bit of vibration, which of course you're not seeing here, was felt when the camera was, when I'm driving, the row is shuttered. I mean, it just shuttered the whole time. Anyway, let me stop talking and roll through here. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get out and do a little walk here. Not on camera, but I just thought I'd do a little ride along. I'm gonna roll to the other entrance and then I'll cut it. And I'll come back for myself. Tree branch. Had to dodge that one, no pun intended. Here we go. Oh, they got that entrance blocked off. That sucks. Come on, guys. Jesus. Don't know why that is. Alright. I'll have to turn around here, which is gonna suck. Thanks for watching. Very beautiful scenery out here today. We'll take you here to the entrance, which is right here. I gotta somehow turn around. Yeah, I'll figure it out. We can go down to Evergreen Lake and turn around. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care.